Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you live how to get an automatic discount on all Hostinger website builder plans, including 3 extra months free and a free domain name. The best part? You don't need to enter any coupon code. It's super easy. Just click the link in the description below. It will take you straight to Hostinger's website builder page, and the discount will be applied automatically at checkout. Let me show you. I'm choosing the business plan for the website builder, and as you can see, the price already reflects the automatic discount. Plus, you get 3 extra months free and a domain name at no cost. No tricks, no code, just click, choose your plan, and save. Hostinger's website builder is a powerful and easy-to-use tool, perfect for beginners, freelancers, or anyone looking to launch a professional site. And with this offer, it's one of the best deals of 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tools, tips, and exclusive discounts. Click the link below, grab your deal, and I'll see you in the next video.